Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Today I will review the Eufy Video Doorbell 2K battery power version. I will show you how to install this doorbell, comparison to the wired version, and also how to integrate it with the Eufy Smart Lock. First, let's talk about the features. This video doorbell comes with 2K resolution, real-time two-way audio, local storage, and no subscription fees. Here are the differences between the battery-powered version and the wired version. The battery version is more expensive, larger in size, can be installed without pre-existing doorbell wires, and can use your home's original mechanical chime. However, it doesn't have the 3-second pre-buffer recording or image distortion correction. The video recordings are stored in the home base in the battery-powered version versus on the doorbell itself for the wired version. Right now, there is a limited time promotion of $40 off coupon. You may click my link below to get it. Since I already have the home base from the previous EufyCam 2C Pro package, I got a doorbell add-on unit only. Now let me open it and take a look. The backside of the doorbell has the wire connectors if you choose to connect it to the pre-existing wires, sync button and micro USB port, and the locking mechanism. The original package comes with a 15-degree angle mounting wedge. You may purchase additional wedge and combine them to make a 30-degree mounting angle. Make sure to get the wedge for the battery doorbell. The wedge for the wire doorbell is smaller and doesn't fit. Installation. Step 1. Charge the battery. The doorbell light will turn from orange to blue when it's fully charged. Step 2. Sync the doorbell to the home base.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep. Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
Step 3. Install the mounting bracket. Step 4. Mount the doorbell. To detach the doorbell from the mounting bracket, you may insert the detaching tool at the bottom of the mounting bracket. Now let's take a look at the settings. In the motion detection setting, you may turn on or off motion detection, set activity zone, detection type, and detection sensitivity. In the quick response setting, you may record an audio clip for quick response when someone is at your door. At the video setting, you may turn on or off status LED, auto night vision, and logo watermark. In the Video Quality tab, you may turn on or off WDR, adjust streaming quality, video encoding format, and set up streaming to Alexa or Google Smart Displays. In the notification setting, you may set what type of event will trigger notification, where to jump to when opening the motion detection notification, how the notification is displayed, and change alert tones. In the power management setting, you may see the current battery level and change battery working mode. In the indoor chime setting, you may choose one of the 4 indoor chime options. I use the home base as the chime. In the general setting, you may change the device name, reveal the mounting guide, and check device firmware information. If you also use the Eufy Smart Lock, you may integrate it with the doorbell. Tap the Smart Lock, tap the gear wheel icon to get to the settings. Tap the Integrate with Doorbell option. When you enter the doorbell's live stream view, you will see the Smart Lock control icon and unlock the door at the same screen. Here are my final thoughts of this video doorbell. The pros are 2K resolution, easy to install, doorbell wiring not required, no subscription fees. The cons are no pre-buffer recording, therefore recording could be delayed. Unable to record 24/7. Overall, the Eufy 2K video doorbell is packed with great features, affordable pricing, and no subscription fees. Both the battery version and the wired version are great options. If you don't have pre-existing doorbell wire, then the battery version will be your best choice. If you do have pre-existing doorbell wire, then you may need to consider the small differences such as the 3-second pre-buffer recording, video storage location, and indoor chime options. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!